Number one, create fun images using AI. Google TV is becoming a creative playground with a new generative AI tools powered by Gemini. With the new Create feature, users can turn simple ideas into imaginative images using natural language prompts. For example, you could say, make my dad wear a ridiculous outfit. The system instantly generates playful visuals, letting families create humorous artistic edits together right from your TV. So like this, describe what you want to create. Okay, make my dad on the left wear a ridiculous outfit. And then it will generate. There you go. So let's create. So now AI is coming to your TV. Okay, your Google TV. Fun, right? Interesting.